Guys, do you know what is depression? Depression is the worst thing that could ever happen to anyone. It sounds so common these days, and the continuous depression, also known as dysthenia. The first thing depression does, it destroys your immune system, which means you are more prone to diseases. Even it could be cancer as well. And second thing the depression does, it makes you so much negative. You are not the same person anymore. It completely changes you, takes you into a different world. And the third thing it does, it depletes your hormonal endocrine system, which includes your thyroid, whether it could be a woman reproductive or male reproductive issues, and there are so many issues, even like diabetes. So it's a complete depression, is a complete killer. It's not something easy to go on with. All you have to do is to get into any kind of physical exertion activity, whether it could be long walk or even gym. Personally, I would say yoga, then second one would be Pilates, then gym, and then walk. Reason I'm keeping yoga on the first place because it does have a meditation as well, which is a complete antidepressant. A lot of people think that listening to the music or even watching films, playing video games will keep you away from the depression reality, but in fact, it does help for very few hours because it's just like a painkiller in a complete depression world, which won't help you for very long. So the physical exertion is very, very important. Remember, you guys are warrior and warriors don't give up.